welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie. So this video is just gonna be, it's gonna be kind of short because I was supposed to be uploading our house tour. Well, when we got there today, and it is late Monday night that I am filming this because I've been trying to get the rest of this house packed up. I will give you guys a little clip of what our house is looking like here in a minute. But so the plan was the house tour video was supposed to go up Tuesday morning, which will be today when you guys see it. So but when we got there, she wasn't moved out all the way, so she still had a lot of stuff there. And so I decided to wait and do the house tour. She's supposed to have everything out by 4 o'clock. Well, before 4 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, because that is when we close on the house and we sign our lives away and get the keys. And then that's when I will just drive up there to the house and do a quick house tour and then come home and get it all uploaded before I unplug my computer and everything, because that Wednesday morning we are going to go pick up our U-Haul and start getting it loaded up so we can get moved in. But it has just been super crazy, so stressed out. Like, I am breaking out like stress pimples so bad. My face hasn't broke out in like forever. But I mean, as you can see, my closet's already packed up. I just got one outfit hanging in there, and our bedroom is completely packed up. My bed is in the floor. So I will do like a quick little walkthrough and give you guys a tour of our house right now. And hopefully later Tuesday, well, later today, I'll be getting the house tour video uploaded. Like, if I can get, once we close on the house and she has everything out, I'm gonna go up there and do a house tour, and then I'll get it edited and upload that evening. So hopefully, if everything goes right, if she has everything out, I can get that video uploaded like around like 7-8 o'clock Tuesday night. So but anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and just give you guys a quick. So our bed is already down. I've got one little outfit hanging up there. I've got my towel hanging and my little basket of some clothes. And Stormy's bedroom is all packed up. And Peyton's bedroom is packed up. Kitchen is pretty much packed up. Actually, it's all packed up. I've got a few things out because we'll still be here like all day tomorrow. So, and that is in front of that's right there at our front door. And Stormy is watching TV. And we've got everything packed up right there, boxed up, and Stormy is watching Vampire Diaries for the 5th time. Mr. Thor is napping, but everything is all packed up and ready to go. So I just give you guys a quick run through of our house, kind of what it is looking like. It is a mess, and I am just ready to be in the house because I'm tired of all this mess. I can't move around in my own house. So, but stay tuned because the house tour video will be coming hopefully later this evening or first thing Wednesday morning. Sorry, this ain't the video that was supposed to be going up, but hopefully later today I can get the house tour video up. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.